You start your engine on a cold morning, and instead of settling into a smooth and quiet idle, your vehicle runs incredibly rich, blowing black smoke and absolutely destroying your fuel economy. You plug in your scanner and it spits out a code P0057, warning you that the heater control circuit is running low on oxygen sensor bank 2, sensor 2. Let us break down what this actually means without getting overly complicated. Bank 2 refers to the side of your engine block that does not contain cylinder number 1, and sensor 2 means we are specifically looking at the downstream oxygen sensor located right after your catalytic converter. Modern oxygen sensors are built with a tiny internal heating element, very similar to the glowing orange wires inside a toaster. When you start a cold engine, the exhaust gases are simply not hot enough for the oxygen sensor to read accurately. To solve this, the engine computer sends battery voltage directly to the sensor heater to get it scorching hot almost instantly. This allows the computer to take absolute control of your air-to-fuel ratio within seconds of turning the key. When the computer measures the voltage on this heater circuit and sees that it is abnormally low or completely shorted to ground, it sets this specific code. An inoperable oxygen sensor heater is a frustrating issue because it forces the engine to run blind during those critical cold starts, which causes your fuel mileage to plummet and can prematurely clog your expensive catalytic converter with raw fuel soot. Do not blindly unscrew the sensor and fire the parts cannon just yet. Because this wiring harness lives just inches away from blistering hot exhaust pipes, the wires very frequently melt together or chafe against sharp metal brackets, causing a direct short to ground. Get under the car and do a massive visual inspection from the sensor all the way up the firewall. Next, grab your digital volt-ohm meter and check the specific fuse or relay that powers the oxygen sensor heaters. You absolutely must test these fuses while the key is turned on, because a blown fuse is the most common reason for a low voltage reading on the circuit. If the wiring is totally pristine and you verify that 12 volts is reaching the connector, the tiny heating element inside the oxygen sensor has likely burned itself out, and you will simply need to thread in a brand new unit to get your engine running crisp and clean again.